Hey guys, so I stopped at Hobby Lobby with my wife. She likes looking at cool stuff here, and I like bringing you along. And I noticed, what are we in? July? Something? Anyway, there's Christmas stuff here already. What? Ooh, and there you go, Spring Shop. They do have a lot of good clearance stuff, I will say. I was gonna put up a another collectible video, but I figure sometimes y'all get bored with that, and I don't blame you. I don't get bored with it because I like showing you stuff. I'll give you a little variety. Like we went to the aquarium the other day. Let me tell you, $50, man. $50 to get in there. I enjoyed myself at the aquarium. I really had a good time. Moody Gardens Aquarium down in Galveston. They got a lot of stuff. They got penguins, seagulls, the jellyfish there. That's an exhibit that I think you should see. Ooh. Are you unclear? Oh, it is $8.99. I need something. I stopped drinking Monsters. It hasn't been as hard as I thought it would be. So I need something like that for my whatever I'm drinking now. Water. Hmm. Oh, look at this bear. Oh, there's a little. Oh, he's 7. Oh, I might get this guy. Wait a minute. Is this the guy? Oh no! What did they do to you, man? Poor guy. I'd be looking like that too, man. Better get something to cover that up. Anyway, I hope y'all are doing good out there. Oh man, they got another row of Christmas stuff coming out. They start getting rid of all their spring stuff. Now, I was working on another video. I'll post it up later. Something very strange happened when I was making a short. Now, sometimes I'll make a short that I'll do into like an editing software program like CapCut or whatever. Sometimes, well, a lot of times, I'll also do the quick, easy way. I'll just find a section of a video I posted, and then I'll just pick a section I like for about a minute long and post it as a short. So y'all can see a sample, or some people just want a quick hit of whatever I'm doing. Well, anyway, I was doing that, and I did it through the remix, through YouTube's remix. And all of a sudden, I don't know what language I was talking, but it was weird. You can play the regular video when everything's normal. And then when I put it in shorts, a couple times it started in English and then moved into like a language from space. I don't know what was going on. And then other times it would just play totally in a different language. But then I'd put it back on my video and everything was as recorded. So I don't know what's up with that. But I thought it was pretty funny, so I'll put that together later. I had a screen record what I was doing. Well, I gotta adjust that because it's hard to see. So I guess I am doing a long form short video. Look at all this cool stuff they got though for Christmas. Already, and these look nicer than the ones last year. He's already ready already. see, we already had July 4th, so what's next? I don't know. Groundhog Day, maybe? I don't know. No. Halloween? No, it's not Christmas. Speaking of Halloween, we're gonna go to Halloween Horror Nights. I'll try to film some of it. I'm gonna go a few days. So one of the days I'll film, and the other couple days I'll try to film, but I kind of wanna, I'm gonna hang out with a wife without filming. I'll get in trouble sometimes. Oh, these are new. They look like balloons. Look at that. Oh, their ornaments are so cool. Okay, so we're getting busy for Christmas, so looks like if you want spring stuff like that, it's 50% off. Not bad. Oh, look at this guy. So sick of seeing this. I don't do anything on TikTok. I do have a channel, but I'll just load stuff up. I'll call it beg talk. All they do is beg and beg and beg, and all I hear is "thank you for the hand hearts." I'm like, oh my god, where are they giving you money? I mean, they don't even offer any content. There's some that just sit there and write down the amount of donations they've made from the people that are giving it to them. All right, so let's take a look at some toys here. You know, Hobby Lobby, they have a lot of good cars. You know, if you collect diecast, they don't have a lot of Hot Wheels, but they have a special little different brands. I don't know what they are, and models. Let's go look. Alrighty. Well, I got this one. It is crazy. It stands on a tripod. I may even have one. Yeah, this is the one I have. Is this the same? No, this is the one I got. It's bigger. No, it's not bent like that. Those things hurt too, man. Shit's pretty hard. But now, I might have to get this one. Look at that. That looks cool. Ooh, his eyes light up. Was he going to pool? Huh. My dogs, I gave them one of these, and it didn't take them long to get through that, man. They tore it up. Took a couple days. First, they were a little scared of it, so I was having fun with them. And then one of them figured out, hey, what if I just destroy it? And here's the special cars I was talking about. M2. Well, that one was Z432. Wow. Oh, look at that. It's like it's in a garage. It's really neat. Apparently those cartooned ones, I think there's a Porsche. It's worth like $200, but I don't look that closely. I should, I used to. But I would be like on a hunt, man. I'd be like a man possessed. I would be out there a couple hours going through Hot Wheels and other cars. Ooh, Fender. Slot race car. They do have slot racing tracks you can buy here. I think these are all slot race cars. Little slot racetracks. That's pretty neat. Oh, it's got like little ice on it too. I didn't notice that the first time. Man, look at these. They probably have real rubber tires on them. Yeah, these Hot Wheels and these other cars, man, they can get expensive. Especially if you keep them in the package. But they're like other things, but they have some that they don't make a lot of. The treasure hunts. I know Matchbox has their own version. The treasure hunts are usually worth about 10, but in the super treasure hunts, you know, you get 20, 40. And they change every year. I sold some. I had a box of them. I don't know how many it was, but I got like $500. Only reason I sold them is I wasn't displaying them at the time. But I did start buying some new Hot Wheels recently. So I'm trying my best not to go crazy buying them. Look at these. These are bigger Hot Wheels. I've seen some bigger Hot Wheels coming out. I mean, this one's good size. There's a Batman Hot Wheel out there. Like that, a little carrier truck. I forgot where I was at. I think I was at Target. I wasn't there to really pick up anything, but there was a collector showed up. I was talking to him and he was buying it. Here's a big Hot Wheel. Now, this here, you really want to get that Viper. And got some cool cars. But if you don't want cars, you can get this stuff. Even Stretch Armstrong approves. There's some model kits, man. I like this. I like pirate stuff. There's Titanic. I'd like to get the USS Texas if they had it. Texas battleship. Here's one that may interest y'all. I like them flames. They look cool. Damn, look at that. That's a bad ride there. Oh, these Shelbys, man, they're crazy. Real fast. Our models, they say, are always 40% off the sticker price, but man, I might have to try to do one. I bought one, man. I gave it to my brother. I was like, forget this. It was a Gundam, and it wasn't even that hard of one, it says, but you know, eesh, it was tough. I was like, nah, here you go. Look at this, man, Megatron. I might try to put something like that together. Who's this one? RC? Oh, Rodimus Prime, okay. He took over for Optimus Prime in the movie. The cartoon, 1984 movie. I recommend that one. That's a good cartoon. Alright, just a reminder, we hadn't made it to Christmas yet. You can still get this fun stuff. Pink Christmas trees even. Oh my gosh, for my puppies. A little couch. This will be for Princess. And if you need Snoopy. Got him here. And Minnie Mouse. And Mickey Mouse. And sticks. Oh my gosh. I may have to get this guy. I always buy these things and put them on my wall. See how much it is. Look at this guy. What is it? Is it metal? Yeah. It's metal. Looks really neat. For next year, if you're one of them folks that can do that, here you go. Oh, fall stuff. Maybe we'll catch that next time. There's this big ass chicken.
Bye, thank you. Gracias.
Damn. You scare me out of the yard. Yeah, that's funny. It's a different looking eagle than I've seen before. Alright, that's just a quick stop in to Hobby Lobby. I'm really hungry, man. So I gotta go get something to eat. But thanks for joining me. Like, subscribe, tell your friends. Thanks a lot. Bye.